In a small village under the vast sky lived a young orphan, alone but never hopeless. He had no wealth, no family, but his heart was full of faith. Ya Allah, you are my only provider. I am hungry, I have no one, but I know you will never leave me empty-handed. He sat outside a bakery, the smell of fresh bread filling the air. His stomach ached with hunger, but he didn't beg. Instead, he whispered another dua. Inside the bakery, the shopkeeper watched the boy. Something about his patience touched his heart. He took a fresh loaf of bread and stepped outside. Here, son, take this, it's yours. Tears filled the orphan's eyes. He had no money, no home, but he had tawakkul, complete trust in Allah, and Allah did not abandon him. Dear listener, life will test you. Hunger, hardship, loss, but if your faith remains strong, Allah will open doors you never imagined. Tawakkul, trust in Allah and He will always provide.